guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Azria, but this is my brother's name. So we're gonna make slime, but it's fluffy slime today. So I'm gonna pour the glue. The ingredients are glue. There. Enough. This is the glue. Okay. Next is we need shaving foam, shaving cream, shaving gel, and water. If it's shaving gel, you need water. And where's my sticks? Where's the sticks? Okay, this is the stick, and we have glitters here. Glitters. Now, okay. Next is pour the glitters. Okay, yan. Any color of glitters. Wait lang, wag mo na i-mix kasi marami pang ingredients. Tapos, wag mo na i-mix. Saan yung
Y por si acaso se deja venir el ejército, ya tenemos cómo salir en pura pantista. Juntos. Ahí está tu portado, señor. Bueno.
Oh no, the glitters are spilling pala. Yeah. Okay, next is we're putting the shaving gel. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Oh, this way. And we also have glitter sequins. Let's go to the bathroom. So, this is... Wait. Ate Miles. Let's go. Okay. First is... the third thing is... Okay. Magalaw yan, ha? Okay, pakita mo sa akin. Ito yun, oh. And we use our shaving. Where's the shaving? Ate, can you get it? Be, shaving gel, oh, yun, oh. Saan man yun? Yun, oh, yun, oh. Yung Gillette. Okay, thank you. It's safe. Hold this way. Can I put half lang, ha? Ouch. Bi, ako na lang ha, Bi. Shake mo. Ako na. Bi, ako na lang. Hasn't gas. Yan, shake it.
Then she needs to shake it. And then...
Yan, oh, kalabas. Hey. Yan. That's...
No, it's not.
Kailangan pa ng tubig para mag-fluffy siya. Yan. Enough na. Kasi, okay. Tubig kasi.
Two more tubig.
Lagay mo dyan. Ilagay mo na lang yung tubig dyan. Para hindi ayaw na lang. Okay, pakita niya yung slime. Uy, galaw. Tingnan mo. Pakita yung slime. Let's pour some water. No. Okay. This is... And start mixing. Tingnan nyo guys, so fluffy. Pag hawak, kahit hindi nakahawak, pag mix, fluffy na nga. Okay.
Can I mix it?
Okay, I hold the camera para hindi galaw siya, galaw-galaw. Grade 4 siya, grade 2 ako. Akin, hindi masyado galaw. Sa kanya, galaw. Talaga.
Asan yung tsinelas, Ace? Ba't nawala yung isang tsinelas?
Nasa labas.
Ha?
Ay, nandyan, oh.
Bakit
Sa bathroom. Kasi, dinali ko. Okay, next is, let's pour the activator. We still have ingredients. The sequence. Ito po yung glitter sequence. Okay, now we're putting sequence. Oh no, so many. Okay, next we're gonna pour the activator now. Ito po yung malaking Ariel na 100 plus lang po. Mura, no? Okay. Okay, this is not it. Okay, let's put it. Konti lang ha. Okay. Wow, tingnan nyo guys, nag-start na siya forming. Tingnan nyo guys, nag-form siya. Kailangan pala ng Arial. Yan, mix it. Oh! It's fluffy. Fluffy pag mix mo. Ano? Let me try to mix it. Add the Arial. Oh. Add the Arial. Konti. The Arial. Oh,
This is the Arial.
yeah, just a bit. A bit lang. Sige pa. Konti. Okay.
And done, guys. This is the Arial.
Sticky. Still sticky. I guess. Now let's add more.
This is the
Ash,
glitter.
tara, let's try.
Marami pa po ako glitters here. Ito. Ay, nag-pink show kasi dahil sa stick. Okay, let's add more. Okay, this is enough. Yan yung eraser. Banana yan, tapos si Grumpy Grape to. You wanna pick? I'll get Grumpy Grape. You wanna have this? You can have this. It's eraser. Sticky. Yeah? Oh no, it's sticky. But it's hindi siya nag-stick sa akin. Yeah.
We need to put some.
Oh, it's starting to form. Oh, tingnan mo, Ate Miles. Ang pangalan niya po, Ate Miles. Na-remember niyo pa ba siya sa 2018 vlog ko? Na-remember niyo pa ba siya? 2019, 2018. I don't know.
Ito.
Wag mo na lagyan. Kaya pangit tingnan.
Pwede man.
It's,
Maganda pink.
oh, then put sticky. Oh, too fluffy. Add. Enough. Sige pa. Yan, enough. Ay! Oh my. You know guys, it's starting to form. We just add a little paint. Oh no, there's paint in my hands. It's sticky. It is fluffy. It's sticky ba yun? Wait lang, I'll just add more. Oh. There, wait. Start mixing it.
Ash, halika na ba, Ash? Ash.
Huwag ka maingay. We're making a video.
What's this? Is this a secret palette?
Dear God.
You could take spinner.
May extra pa ako niyan. O, tinan mo. Di ba yung...
Koy, talay mo.
Ano, wala. Pasaya. Spinner time. I'm gonna get do boop.
Like that. Huh?
Mix it. Ano mo?
What's this?
Hello, it's starting to form. Parang peach siya. Oh, hindi siya. Parang ano guys. Parang peach siya. Diba? Wait lang. Last. Agad parang Ariel kasi ang sticky niya talaga guys. Yan, ito. I'm out. Okay. Ipakita mo sa word ko. Ano po yung tala? Dila ko'y nakal... Wait lang, magsaya.
Dila ako'y nakalut.
Alam niyo po yung tala? Dila ko'y nakal... Dila ko'y nakalutaw sa langit. Sa iyong mga
Ako dance.
At kung hanggang dito lang pala tayo, hindi mapapayaan ang daanin. Sabi sa'yo,
Ah,
Miss
tara na.
Kitty, put Ariel kasi, di ba? Baka hindi na Ariel.
Ija, yeah.
Blood of Jesus.
Like that. Oh no, you want glitters? Ipohid mo dito. Paano mo sa stick? Glitters. Sticky pa? Sticky. Lagyan mo ng Ariel. Wait. Mawala na. Wait. Okay. Ganyan mo na. Wait pa kasi anong sticky baka hindi kayo nag-ano. Kung gusto anong nangyari? Mapisikan po ako, guys. Sorry po. Okay po, pa-shout out po kay... Wait lang. Wala pa pala akong... Magtingin muna ako sa sa YouTube, cellphone ko ng mga sagot.
Kahit kanina po ginagamit niya. Yung ginamit niya ngayon, ito pag video. Sa mami niya, nahulog. Sa mami niya. Tapos next day na naman, iba na naman. Sa papa niya naman. Next day na naman akin. Next day na naman sa tito niya. Next day naman sa ate ko. Next day naman kay Kuya Ash niya. Next day yung tab niya.
Okay, guys! Pa-shout out. Pa-shout out kay Jessica SYM Siblings. Thank you, guys.
Iba.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my
Like and
YouTube.
share, subscribe. Subscribe, like, share.
Mami,
Kayong dalawa, bida, yung ito ninyong styro. Gaan lang ito pa ihatid sa
Wait lang.
sasakyan.
Ako?
Na. Bugat ka na. Kaya na niyong dalaan?
Hindi. Sakit ka naman sa kumait.
Dalian mo na kasi papa mag-alis na.
Oo.
Kayong dalawa ni
wait, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.